Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, May 30th, 2023. We're here at the Venetian condos, and this is Studio C. And this is a hull cleaning, but I was also inspecting the prop, and you had looked like a sport inner tube wrapped around your prop, so that's what that is. I didn't see anything else, like as far as it having any issues or wiggling or any concern as far as that goes, but we'll go ahead and we'll check and see the cleaning and see if there's anything else on the shaft.